Hello, I'm Douglas Smith, and this is a review of layout analysis applications. I'll cover a brief history of layout analysis and conclude with the current state of the method. We'll start by defining layout analysis. Layout analysis is a visual interface analysis method which groups design elements into functional groups, then reorganizes these groups according to elements' importance, sequence, and frequency of use. Next, some research and applications of layout analysis. Ronald Easterby is credited with formulating this method, though he didn't use the term layout analysis. It was originally used to visually manifest connections between task maps and cognitive maps. Easterby used it, however, to describe an existing interface, not redesign it. Further investigations into the utility of layout analysis applied it to prototyping automotive interfaces. Researchers found that the method was an efficient use of resources and was simple and easy to implement, but lacked validity due to its subjectiveness. An attempt to solve that issue is the only notable effort to directly improve layout analysis. In this study, layout analysis was augmented by including ergonomic principles in the design of a naval multifunction console. On the left is the typical process for applying layout analysis. On the right is the before-mentioned suggested process to improve validity, offering a means to incorporate ergonomic principles into layout analysis. Subject matter experts were consulted to evaluate layout analysis outputs before returning them to the design team for reorganization. The study found that this augmentation was effective in that 3 different naval multifunction console interfaces generated by this method scored equally high in subsequent task performance analyses. At the conclusion of this study of a modified layout analysis method, the researchers found that not only could they reduce the variability of reliability and validity in layout analysis, they could do so without losing the method's versatility. However, the context-dependent nature of certain tasks make error and performance time difficult to incorporate. If, though, error rate and task performance time are design critical and layout dependent, objective measures of these quantities may be useful. In closing, layout analysis is a visual interface analysis method where more work has been done in defining it than improving it. It has been found to be a quick and efficient method useful for the prototyping stage. However, it is not very useful for complex interfaces and has low reliability, though efforts to improve this have been attempted. Layout analysis also lacks error, mental workload, and performance time analysis. Improvements have not been attempted in these areas, and other methods are typically used to cover these concerns during interface design. Layout analysis is not a heavily researched method, however, and there may be room for further developments. This has been a review of layout analysis applications. Thank you for your time.